Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am here to introduce you to one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. As part of Samsung's A series lineup, this device offers a perfect balance of performance, design, and affordability. If you are looking for a mid-range smartphone with flagship-like features, the Galaxy A36 is a fantastic choice. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy A36 features a sleek and stylish design with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has a 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and a fantastic viewing experience for gaming and videos. The Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on both the front and back provides enhanced durability. Moreover, with a peak brightness of 1900 nits, you can comfortably use it even under bright sunlight. The phone is available in Awesome Lavender, Awesome Black, Awesome White, and Awesome Lime, offering a fresh and trendy look. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Galaxy A36 is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, delivering reliable performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB per 256 GB internal storage, ensuring you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. On performance benchmarks, it achieved a single-core score of 967 and a multi-core score of 2750, making it a solid choice for smooth operation in everyday use. Camera capabilities. For photography lovers, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G offers a triple camera setup, including a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, for crisp and clear photos, even in low light, an 8MP ultra-wide camera for capturing breathtaking landscapes, a 5MP macro lens for detailed close-up shots on the front. There's a 12MP selfie camera, perfect for video calls and high-quality selfies. Battery and charging. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. The device supports 45W fast charging, meaning you can charge quickly and get back to your day without long waiting times. Software and longevity. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is its software support. The Galaxy A36 5G runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0. Samsung promises 6 years of major Android updates and security patches, making this a future-proof investment. Additional features: 5G connectivity for ultra-fast internet speeds, stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, IP67 rating, making it dust and water-resistant. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G starts at $399.99, approximate in the US, making it a value-for-money option in the mid-range smartphone segment. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is an excellent choice for those who want flagship features at an affordable price. With its powerful performance, stunning display, long-lasting battery, and excellent cameras, this smartphone is sure to be a popular choice in 2025. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish smartphone with future-ready features, the Galaxy A36 5G is a device worth considering. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.